Hello, third grade, and we are going to continue looking at labeling the world map. Now, we have already looked at the different cardinal directions in social studies, and we looked at how to use that on a map using a compass rose, and we began labeling a world map. We labeled the northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, western hemisphere, and eastern hemisphere. Now today we are going to finish labeling the different continents. Continents are parts of land. They're parts of land in on the earth. So we have oceans and we have continents. They are divided into sections because some of them are surrounded by oceans and some of them don't connect to other continents. So you'll probably not have your first labels on there. We're going to finish labeling the different continents. So we had North America, where the United States are. And right below North America, you guessed it, it is South America. Go ahead and type that out on your class kick. Now, South America has a lot of Latin American countries down there, like Brazil and Colombia and Peru. And here's a quick picture of some images from South America. Now the next continent is Africa, and that is located right here. Africa. Well, actually, let's go ahead and color in the different continents. So we have North America, and you can probably color yours in a little bit better over here. I'll choose a different color to color in South America. And a different color to color in Africa. The next continent, right next to Africa, is called Asia. Now, Russia and Europe are a part of Asia. We can color that whole section in. Sorry, Russia and China are part of Asia. Europe is its own continent. So all over here, that is all Asia. And right above Africa and Asia is Europe. And color in all of Europe. So we have a total of 7 continents. There are 2 more continents. Down here, we have Australia. We'll color that in. Australia down here. And finally, at the bottom part of the Earth, we have Antarctica. We'll color that in at the bottom as well. So those are the 7 continents on Earth. And remember that continents are areas of land that are surrounded by water or separate from other continents. Go ahead and type those out, and then you'll be complete for social studies for today.